What's this dude? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Teardown, a game that I've wanted to play ever since I saw it on the store. I've been loving watching videos about it. I am so excited to play this game. I just want to get into it right away. Welcome to Teardown. Beautiful game. Awesome game. I love this game. The physics in this game, just look at it. Just look at it. Beautiful. It's so, like, the destruction in this game is just impeccable. Just look at that. I could pick up this whole car and like Dwayne. It's crazy. And there's so much shit to explore. Shit. Okay, well. Alright. You can do shit like this. I can explain. But, anyways, let's get into it. Gas bill just dropped on the floor. Honestly, I'm not sure we can make it through the month. Are you getting any requests? At this point, we're pretty much have to accept anything. Be creative. Hugs, Mom. So Tracy's our mom? Yikes. I don't know. Doesn't look too MILF. Okay. The old building problem. We got the car, we got the whip, Okay. Ooh. Vandalize. Just look at that destruction. Oh my god, I love it. I love it already. What's this dude? Jesus. Holy fuck. Oh, this is just a stove. Holy fuck. So does it want me to... Well, I ran out of explosives. Now what? Easy, easy. Ooh. How is it not falling? Oh, this little bit. What? Excuse me? Oh, it's the chimney. How's the chimney kid? You already know. You already know. Oh, get it, chimney. Okay, I gotta go around. Gotta go around. Alright, we got this. Boom! Get blasted. Shit, I'm stuck. It's falling on me. Ah! Easy. I think we did pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Easy collapse. You see that shit? Easy. Easiest game of my life. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Whoops. Damn. Oh, there's a lift. Oh my god. Okay. On to the next mission. Ooh, the Lee computers. Okay. So what is there to do? Oh, convenient. It's open. Love to see it. We got a car. What are we supposed to do? What's going down? What is happening? Okay. What am I? We got office, harbor house, and factory. So pick up 3 computers on the site here. Okay. Oh shit, what did I just press? I got a flashlight? Cool. Right here. How convenient. I just rammed into there too. Don't worry about that. Got any boxes around here? Anything? Anything around? Jesus Christ. Oh, we got bombs. Okay, back there and in there. Okay. Fuck. Oh, the blurriness too. When you go in the water. This game has so much detail. It's crazy. So in here. Can't get in. Easy. Wait, I can't break through the wall. This game's whack. I know how. Easy. I don't need a door. Just make one. In here. Easy. So the last one is where? In here? Don't know what to do. Oh, is it up? Oh, that's right there. Okay, in there. Easy. It's right there. Oh, my ear itches. Oh, fuck. Coughing. What the fuck? Choking on my own spit. Goddamn. Easy. Anything in here? No. Shit out of here. Get that shit out of here. I just love how you can fling shit. That's my favorite thing about this game. Just throw stuff. Just love the wacky physics. I almost died. Get your done, bro. Oh shit, wrong car. One thing before I leave. Okay. We won't talk about it. That thing deserves to die. Let's go! Back to the crib. You already know. Got some dollars on my name. This fucking treadmill is still here. Get your treadmill ass out of here. Got a car. I can barely move. Oh wait, there's a lift. Yes. Yes. Okay. Easy. Here he comes. Get ready for your demise, car. Oh, my lift broke. That was kind of boring. Decent food. Like me, decent. You already know. The login device. Easy. Claps. What are you doing up? On to the video. Is it this making this noise? What is making all that? Oh my god, that was really noisy. Okay. Okay, on to the mission. Is it easy? Easy game. Strange. There's a crane here this time. What do I need to do? Okay, there's stuff in here. Okay, I'll go in here. Oh, it's this. Okay. So I need to just... I'm timed. Timed? What? Fuck. Fuck. Oh, Jesus. God, I'm dying. Right. Back to what I was doing. So it's timed, so I have to make a route or something to get like timing down. This is probably useful. So I'm gonna start here probably. Actually no, this is the closest to my truck, car, van. Okay. So easy. Okay. This. Now. You can. Oh, my nose is just. I think. Okay. I found out I can quick save. Right here. We'll start here. Run down. I know that there's this from last time. Up over here. Run. There's a thing over here. It's right here. Go grab this. There's a door. Oh, it's to the balcony. What's this? 20 bucks? Yes, sir. Then I need to get over. So jump here, but make the jump. I need to make sure that's doable. Or I'm just trash. Okay, it is. And if it's not, then I run over. Okay. So, as I'm running, jump. Don't want to talk about it. So, run, jump. Keep running. Run. Jump over here. Break the glass. So then I can just... Okay, I can't jump out. Grab this, but there's explosives down here. Make a hole. Let's get this shit. Oh, I'm ready. I am ready. Why am I dying? Oh my god. I'm gonna quick save. Okay. I'm ready. Cue the epic music. No. Oh, seizure warning. Run. Can't mess up. Oh my god, I almost messed up. Seizure warning. No. Oh, no. Oh my god, I'm the best. Oh my god, run. Why is this still up? Okay, run. I'm a menace. Easy. I'm just better, simply. Okay. New stuff, breaking news. What's going on? Lee Chemical. Oh, that was me. Ooh. Let's go. I'm too good at the game. Okay, everything's back to normal. I have a fridge. Whatever that is. Why is it closing? Oh, just want to see what's in there. Okay. Oh my god, fridge. You know what? Fall. Just fall. Yeah. Oh shit. Sorry, treadmill. Whoops. Boat. Oh my god. I'm so excited. We have a boat. Can I drive it? Oh, this is my escape. Okay. This reminds me of home. Got a car? Fuck yeah. Ooh. 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 Tell me if you know me. Okay. So, what am I supposed to do? Primary targets. What? I know that's one of my targets. What is this? Large safe. Should I go for that first? There's a safe there. Then there's... Wait. Demolish. Gain some speed. Boom, baby. Right through. Let's go. Let me think I need something bigger. Oh, big truck. I like it. Okay. Take this around here. See, there's a boat over there. Holy, this thing is... Oh my god. I want this thing. Okay, never mind. Oh yeah. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Wait, hold on. I'm gonna quick save just in case I lose the boat. So it was really a bitch to get into. Oh my god. Do I need to go all the way around? I mean, there's a bridge, but I don't know. Oh! Ooh! Oh! Oh my god! Wait, there's more? Okay, well, I just destroyed the whole fucking thing. Yeah. Make it! Yeah! Okay, demolition complete. Thank you, tugboat. I wish I still had a car or something. Maybe on here. Okay. On to getting the safe. Will I fit? Uh-oh. Make it! I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. I can make it. I can't make it. I'm sinking. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Also. Oh wait, there's something right here. What is this? 160 bucks. Holy fuck. As I just sunk a boat that's worth like probably 60K. Why am I coughing so much? Wait, what's in here? Is this one of the places? It is. Okay. What do I have to do with the safes? Is it... Found a swordfish. What am I supposed to do with this? Dump it in the water. Move out of my way, chair. Oh, my nose itches. Yeah. I probably should have had like a car ready or something. This is a predicament. Oh yeah, this is a predicament. No. Yes! Okay, I think I can just throw it in. Just dump it in the water. Just dump it in the water. Boom. We got one more. One more. Okay. And it's over there. We have our getaway vehicle. Wait, new boat. What? Ooh. Is this fast? But it is. Guarantee this. Ooh. I guarantee there's something on this island. Okay, there's nothing. Okay. We got the getaway car. Wait, no we don't. Getaway car. Okay. Where is it? Guarantee it's up here. There it is. Oh, it's tall. This is the plan. Boom. Boom. In. Okay. Let's take it. Why can't I pick it up? Why is there stuff in it? Oh my god, this one's a lot heavier. Oh my god. Come on, come on. In the water. Easy, easy claps. It's time to get cooking. We can make it, we can make it, we can make it. I think we can make it under. Is this thing dying? Ooh, shit. I'm sinking, I think. Okay, get in, get in, get in, get in. Well, I'm outside. Shit. Boom. Easy, boys. Fixing up the roof just a little bit. Let's go in. Let's go into the crib. Because it's raining. Okay. Oh, I'm getting... fixing her up. I'm fixing up the place. Never really explored around here, but... I don't know. What is this? Shotgun? Oh my god, where's the fridge? There it is. Get down here. Oh my god, that's whack. Ooh. Yeah, fuck you, fridge. Get out of here. Fucking hate that fridge. Wait. Oh. Wonder who did it. Oh my god. But I'm going to explore just a little bit. We got an oven. Pretty cool. Got the toilet. Oh, we got a new sink. We got another oven with a hole in the back. I have a blowtorch. Oh yeah. We getting in here. There's a hole? There's a hole. Oh my god. $600 for a banana? Holy shit. Oh man. Wonder who did this. Hold on. Reset. My god, there's a hole. Oh my god! Whoa! What? Who drew this? Whoa! Oh my god, I'm gonna get demonetized. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Oh my god, there's boxes. Ah, man, I wonder who drew those. Am I right? Ah, man. Really gotta catch that guy. Bet he's handsome. He's been in my basement. I'm gonna leave this video here. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed this game. The destruction in this game is amazing, immaculate, awesome. I love the physics, the wacky physics. I always love them. Like, oh my god, like this. You can go and knock this shit over. Just do some really weird, funny shit. Oh my god, it's just so much fun. The destruction in this game is awesome. This game is just so much fun. Hope you all enjoyed this video of Teardown, one of my favorite games right now. It's amazing. Like, wow. I can't begin to say how fun this game is. I hope you all enjoy, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Gotta grab my mic. Just say it's currently 1 in the morning right now, and just got done editing this video. Hope you all enjoyed. I'm really enjoying recording and all this stuff. I'm just recording an outro for this. And enjoying the support lately from people around, you know. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm just rambling on, so talk to you all later. I'll talk to you all in the next video coming out soon. Oh.
JK, really?